Okay, so in this video, we're going to be talking about sending transfers of stock. So this would happen either between stores or from the warehouse to the particular store that the refurbished products need to be sold. And so let's go through the warehouse to store example. So starting from your home page, you can go to products. You would click into stock control, which is the first tab after products. In stock control at the top here, you'll see your options, and if you can do it, you can go transfer stock. So first thing that will pop up was the transfer number and reference, and it's the date that it's being created on. And so you can set the delivery date that it's due. And so let's say from 2 days from now, this should arrive at the store. You can choose this source outlet. So this would be, in our case, the warehouse. Now you can do either stores or the warehouse. And destination, let's say it's to Geary. So we're going to check this off, although nothing has the autofill function built into it as a template or as a product, but this just saves us from having to delete anything unnecessarily. So now that that's done, the dates are set and the destination is set, we can save it, and that will create a new transfer order, some of the details, and you can actually add the products here. So there's a couple ways you can search. You can either do it by keywords, so gas stove, and you'll see a little type come up. So we had just created this product here. So instead, let's do something a little bit more robust. Let's search by product SKU. So this is our product. So we would click that guy. We would add to the order, and so you can see the order number, the order, which product it is, stock on hand, stock at source. So this is where it's coming from. So the stock at source is the stock at the warehouse, quantity, supply price. There you go. So you can either save and send right away, or most of the time I'd like to recommend just clicking save and reviewing to make sure you have everything on it. It was created by me and is due on the 27th. So you have a bunch of options up here to change. You can export, mark as sent, but what you want to do is you want to send the order. So now that you've checked everything is right, you can type in the recipient's name. So this would be sales team and delivery. So let's assume it's being delivered by me. I would type in my own email, and if it gets sold, also sent to the sales team at Geary. Let's call it salesgeary@gmail.com. And we can call the subject matter whatever we'd like, put in a message, delivery of 1 gas stove. And so once that's set, you can actually send. What you'll notice is the status will go from open to sent. And so once it's sent, you'll receive as an email the transfer stock. And so I'll open up my Gmail just so you know what it looks like. So transfer from Barcelona Appliance, this was the title that we created. And so from here you can see sales team and delivery, that was me, CC'd the sales Geary team from the warehouse, and we're seeing the products that are going to be transferred. And so the delivery team can use this as a list, as well as some details on what was actually fixed about the product. So having seen that, you can now, that should be sent. So the delivery guys can take that as their delivery method, and the sales team will now see that that email is received, and they should recognize that those are the products that should arrive by the 27th of February. In the next video, we'll cover how to receive those transfer stocks.